Open the front cover. Slowly pull out the waste toner container while holding its top handle. Insert the used waste toner container into the supplied plastic bag and then seal the bag. Insert the new waste toner container while holding its handle and push the container in until it clicks in place. Rotate the handle of the conveyance box counterclockwise. Pinch and hold the latch on both sides of the conveyance box and remove the box. Put aside the conveyance box, making sure to keep it in an upright position. Remove the cleaning bar from the inside of the front cover. While holding the cleaning bar with the arrow facing up, gently insert the cleaning bar into the slot until it stops, and then slowly slide the bar back out. There are 4 slots in total to be cleaned. Return the cleaning bar to the back side of the front cover. Return the conveyance box to the original position. Rotate the handle clockwise to lock the box in place. Close the front cover.